Here's a quick review of all the upgrades we've recently done to our Outback Sydney Edition camper by Keystone. We got this bike rack holder from Amazon for about $150. Added my own trailer hitch bike rack from the truck, and since that it can also be used for the truck, just take it off anytime we need to use it for the truck. I added these little strengthening pieces here so that it is strong enough now to hold all the bikes. I can even do a chin up on it, it's so strong now. As far as the front door goes, you may remember that there was a panel here, white, covered up everything. I was able to replace it all with clear. The reason I could do that is I took off all the hardware that held the screen door onto the main door. The reason that I could do that was we added magnets. So we got a magnet here. I trimmed back the fuzz and glued a magnet there, glued another one on the door sill. Now when you close the door, it just clicks closed. Put another magnet on the main door so that when you close this door, it's a little bit stronger, opens up the screen door with it just like normal. So access to this is standard with a clear cover. Don't forget you got to add the crash bar so that it's a little easier to handle the screen door. Next is cup holder. Put some cuts in the foam, added a cup holder here so now beverage can sit there sturdy. The sofa, there's a lot of wasted space under the sofa, so what we did was took the front off from it, added some magnets from a hard drive, and now this thing just clicks into place and holds it like that. Of course you got to add a mattress topper for the mattress on the bed because that was horrible. And the last thing is we upgraded to LED lighting, and that reduced the current draw from just the lights in the living room, as an example, 10 amps down to less than 1 amp. Now dry camping lasts almost forever.